Another episode of Print City over here, and we have a very fun one scheduled for you guys today. So we do have a little bit of economic data coming out that is definitely something to be aware of over here. We have we did have U.S. Advanced U.S. I can't even read. Advanced U.S. trade balance in goods, advanced retail inventories, advanced wholesale inventories. We're going to get home price index at 9, which is coming out in about 15 minutes over here. We are going to be getting FHFA home price index as well, U.S. consumer confidence, and at 10 a.m., Fed Governor Barr is going to be testifying to the Senate on banks. So we do have a decent slate of data coming out today. So definitely something to be aware of. The SPY is a little bit lower in the pre-market here, down about 0.27% or about $1 here. But team, you guys know I've been hunting Baba for a while. That daily and 4-hour chart was looking sexy. Nailed it on the 4-hour, made like what, 50, 60% on those. Then I started re-entering yesterday with July contracts. So now I can talk about it because it's impossible. And it would be the dumbest move of all time for you guys to try and basically tail this. Again, it was just a retest on the 4-hour where it's hunting the daily traffic light, and using the thigh gap to tell me that this is the most probable move. News comes out again, lucky on the news, not lucky on the chart. So Baba right now is up about 9.5% in the pre-market. This is probably going to be a fun morning over here for me, guys. Not going to lie. This is going to be a good time. So team, as you guys are filtered in here, make sure you guys slap the literal living shit out of the like button. It helps out a whole lot. Spreading the good word of what we're doing over here, helping retail investors in a way that nobody else possibly can, because everybody else just uses their viewer base and basically just tells them what they want to hear, and they don't make any damn money in market. But team, this is going to be a really fun morning over here. We got 25 likes on the stream already. Run those numbers up, team. This is going to be a really good one. I am hunting Walmart a little bit today too. I mean, it was up 1.67 yesterday, so we'll see what happens with this thing today. Tessie could be interesting over here too. So definitely things to keep a lookout for. I'm honestly a little bit like not scared, but like don't really want to trade Nvidia if they're going to do the same nonsense bullshit that they were planning, that they did yesterday with those premiums. It was just kind of nonsense there, guys. So again, keep ripping that like button, team. Helps get some more people in here. This is going to be a fun-ass morning, guys. Oh, boy. Morning, SB and team. Good morning, everyone. Morning, gang. Oh, what is up, everybody? Again, guys, this is Print City. Those of you guys with 9 to 5s, watch those 4-hour traffic lights. Watch those daily traffic lights. They're going to lead you to the promised land, people. What are you over here fucking around with dumbass chart patterns for? Morning, everybody. What up, Jay? How you doing? How you guys doing? Morning, champ. What up, team? How we doing? How we doing? I do have Netflix on here too. I mean, I nailed this to the upside yesterday on those swings. So we'll see what happens. We'll kind of see what happens with Netflix. I don't think I'm going to do anything else with it. If it can get back above this 230 area here and hold, maybe I'll do a little something, but probably not. Probably not. Morning, fam. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully, everybody is having an amazing morning so far. We have an awesome day ahead of us here. A little bit of data. We could see a little volatility, but that's going to be great for us. Again, use the traffic lights, thigh gap, and make sure that you guys are set up for success. But team, as you guys are filtering in here, a little bit of housekeeping. Remember, everybody has over 90% off their first month to the Trade 1348 platform. You want to come to the best place to learn how to trade for literally $5 for your first month? There you guys go right there. And remember, team, this is the last week to upgrade to 3-year before the prices drastically go up. If that is something that you are interested in, make sure you guys reach out to Diana before the end of the day today, and to make sure that you're going to be in for my midweek masterclass tomorrow, which is going to be fucking game changing for you. I'm going to show you guys some things by using this new thigh gap chart that after you look at it, you're going to be like, oh, what the fuck? It's how I caught the $2 move on, or the $3.50 move on Nvidia yesterday. I use it on the SPY, I use it on Tesla. It's absolutely dirty. So make sure that you guys are there for that. But team, this is going to be awesome, dude. Good mother trucking morning. What is going on, everybody? Dude, this is going to be a fun day. We are 10 likes away from 50. Again, guys, keep running those numbers up. Help spread the word about all the amazing things that we are doing here, helping retail investors, making millionaires, and changing people's financial future for the better. Sounds dope? It is going to be. It's going to be awesome. It is going to be sweet. All right, man. Let's see what's going on Twitter. Probably nothing too crazy. Let me look at this. McCarthy says very concerned about where we are in the debt limit talks. Pentagon prepares for space warfare. Well, that's kind of wild. CFTC chief on Binance. The evidence speaks for itself. We'll be going to vigorously fight this case in court. OPEC shows no signs of changing oil output at meeting next week. US listed shares of Alibaba Group extend gains pre-market, last up 9.1%. Well, those are up right now. What? 9.5? Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. So that's really all that's coming in for the on the news feed. We do have Barr testifying to the Senate about the banking situation. So that's going to be interesting. AMD on the 4-hour traffic light got a light. Oh, did it? Oh shit. I mean, I could look at this. I kind of want to see that. If AMD starts to get that 4-hour traffic light there, yeah. Is it? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it was. Yeah, it's getting there. So this is kind of what we were looking for here on AMD. It might have a little bit of a retest left in it, but you could easily see this thing come down to this 48 EMA here, at least on the 4-hour. That could get interesting. Well, it depends on what the market wants to do. I mean, SPY's chilling at 395. You're kind of in that cuck zone where this thing could be at 400, then a lightning quick snap of a finger, or it could be back down at 380 or 390, 385 really quickly. So we're still in that chop zone, but we will see what happens. Apple possible traffic light on the 4-hour. Which way? Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's flashing it down here. That's interesting. So, yeah, a lot of these things are getting those traffic lights to the downside. Interesting, interesting, interesting. All right, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way in and make sure that you guys are hopping into the best retail trading platform on the face of the planet for literally $5 for your first month. If you don't take advantage of that deal, you're probably destined for failure in the market, but that's okay. Not everybody is built to have success like we were talking about yesterday in the afternoon stream. Let's print some money. That's what we do over here, bro. That is what we do. Alibaba. Alibaba looking pretty good. Let's see. I'd love these to be up like 100% at open. That'd be sweet. I mean, I July contracts, so like they're gonna take some time, and like they're not gonna be up as much as if I had fucking weeklies, but we will see here. Mortgage payments for a new purchaser of a median price existing single family home was equal to 51% of disposable income in February. Jesus, down from the recent peak of 55% in October, but significantly above the 30 to 35% during the pre-COVID era. Jesus. Print City, welcome back, everybody. That's what we're doing over here. Welcome to Print City. Keep smacking that like on the way in. This is gonna be fun. All right, let's see. Dude, this is going to be a wild day, I think. I think we're going to be in for some fun. I mean, we got our SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla up here. We can use these two slots. I mean, I kind of want to watch. I mean, I have to watch BABA, but Walmart. That'll be an interesting one. And then we'll see what happens with Apple over here. The other thing that I think was up a lot this morning was Lyft. Is it? Yeah, 5% in the pre-market over here. That's pretty interesting. I didn't really see what happened with this, but how is this looking on the 4-hour or the daily? I mean, you're flashing that 4-hour traffic light now, so you really couldn't have been able to get into this one. Daily's probably looking shitty too. Yeah, no, nothing really crazy on that one. You would have had to gamble to hit that one. Dude, Prince City's going to be fun. What tickers are you guys looking at this morning? Because you guys know what I'm looking at. Same thing as usual. I also got some Baba mixed in there. Maybe some Wally. Is class at 6 p.m. tomorrow evening for Master? Yes, it is. 6 p.m. tomorrow. 6 p.m. tomorrow. Again, guys, make sure you're reaching out to Diana. If you guys do want to upgrade, let's get after it. Lyft just changing CEO. Nothing too major. Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay. Oh, you guys are ripping that Instagram video too. I appreciate you guys. Oh, dude, we are taking over this year. This is fun. Ford TLT, Google, all lights are on your watch. TLT could be interesting. Intel and TQQQ today. That's interesting. Intel, doesn't Micron have earnings after hours today? Be careful. Could that be? Nah, I mean, that couldn't have been why NVIDIA was all fucking wonky yesterday. But I think Micron has earnings after hours today, so be careful on some of the chip makers. I'm pretty sure they have earnings like right now, like tomorrow or something. Today or tomorrow. Yeah, earnings. What date is it? Today. So Micron has earnings after hours today, so careful. So these are the types of things that you need to be aware of if you're, I mean, I don't know if you're considering holding overnight, but the premiums could be a little bit jacked on some of the other chip makers. Just something to keep a note of. And then the other thing is that if you're hunting that AMD traffic light, it's going to be best practice to wait until Micron reports their earnings because of this right here. Ready? What I used to do all the time is I used to play AMD off of Intel's earnings. I would just strangle AMD because Intel would swan and it would do something crazy. I used to do this all the time where you could find stocks that would move, not have the IV juiced up, and you could play the sympathy. So AMD would still make a solid move. I could strangle it off of Intel's earnings. Intel would do something crazy. AMD would move too. So now I don't do that shit anymore because it's really stupid. But at the same time, you got to think about it like this. If Micron's reporting today and AMD is looking like it wants to have a traffic light to the downside, if Micron reports really good or really bad, that also could make AMD jump on you. So you have to be careful. And I would personally wait until you see Micron's earnings to then take any semiconductor swings. These are the types of things that you guys need to know and understand if you're considering swing trading. You have to know when these companies are reporting earnings, when the sympathies are reporting earnings, what type of economic data is coming out, when it's happening. Because when you think about it like this, guys, if I'm day trading and I'm going to be in a trade for 30 minutes, how many big, substantial pieces of data are going to come out within that 30 minutes? Well, hopefully zero, because I'm not going to be entering these trades when there's giant pieces of data come out. You guys know I don't like to trade around 10 if there's a big piece of data coming out because I don't want to get caught in those wild ass candles. Well, for day trading, there's usually not going to be many big pieces of data coming out in your holding period. With swing trading, there always is. There's going to be something that's going to come out if you're going to hold something for more than 3 weeks. So you have to be aware of these things and make sure that you're managing your position accordingly. So you have to put in a little bit more analytical effort in understanding context of the market, but it's just something additional that you have to do. Let's see here, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way, and you guys are ripping it today. Thank you, team. I appreciate you. J&J actually looks interesting. I feel like we traded J&J a while ago with the traffic lights. Well, I got stopped on though. I mean, this looks like it's been trending up. Yeah, you got this 4-hour traffic light here. This thing doesn't move a whole lot though, which could be good on premiums. I mean, if you see it have a nice move, this is probably not something I would trade. And even if I was, I would get shitloads of time on it and literally just be looking for 10%. But like, is that worth the risk? In my opinion, not really. I mean, things like Baba, Nvidia, Netflix, a lot of those swings that I had, those are worth the risk. I mean, J&J is probably going to move slow. It's a big biotech company, health and technology, pharmaceuticals. So we'll see what happens here. So Intel is something to be more cautious today with day trading. Tor, see, here's the thing. I don't have that much familiarity with the Intel option chain, but if you do and the market opens today and you see those premiums as being higher, which is a possibility, you might want to be a little bit more careful. That's just how I look at it. Where's TLT this morning? TLT is, I mean, with the SPY doing what it's doing, I would expect this thing to be up. It's up a little, 0.16, nothing too crazy. Just finished watching the night stream. There you go. Gotcha. Thanks, man. No problem, Tor. No problem, buddy. But yeah, hopefully that makes sense to everybody. Oh, we got our coffees ready to go. We got Baba ready to print. It's going to be a good day, dude. It's going to be a good day. All right. Let's see. We got about 32 minutes until market open. It's going to be a long-ass 30 minutes, dude. Long 30 minutes. Yeah, see, it always feels long in the morning. It's like we start these super early. We're looking at stuff, and it's like, well, we're just going to look at what we look at anyway. So, but yeah, remember, QR code's on the screen, team. So make sure that you guys are ready to go. It's $5 for your first month. You guys see it right here. I will throw the link in the live chat for you guys as well. Use code Print City, and you guys are all good to go, man. You guys are all good to go. Hop into the platform for $5 for your first month. Take advantage of it, man. Take advantage. Nobody's coming to save you, especially the people that you're watching right now on YouTube and listening to on Twitter. They're just leading you to the slaughter. Smurf balls. Yeah, that was funny last night. That's funny. I guess Kevin put out a video that said like he's quitting, and then like Tom Dash like quote tweeted it on Twitter. It was like, "See you in 3 weeks, Kevin." That's funny, dude. I'm looking for something else. Today people get paid in SBNY. Oh, Wreck-It Ralph. I think SBNY is coming back to life today, bud. If you're in the live chat. You saw yesterday that Gabe extended some levels on his thigh gap indicator. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're gonna go over that more with you guys over this next weekend, or he'll be covering that with you guys in the morning master classes. Is that best practice? Sort of. Sort of. For me, I don't think I'm going to do it in that way, but there is a way that I will draw out levels on the thigh gap indicator, which I'm going to show you guys on tomorrow on the stream. So we're going to pretty much be doing the same thing. We're just going to be looking at it slightly differently. There's multiple ways to skin the cat with this thigh gap. It's nasty though, dude. It is so filthy. It is so dirty. Yeah, Nancy trying to hunt this 1 minute traffic light up. Let's see. Bob is still holding that 5 minute 13. When do you get traffic lights? You have the traffic light indicators right now. Oh, Speed Racers should be coming to you guys this week. Andy's just got to put the final finishing touches on it. And then you guys should be good to go to have it. Because we need to make sure that once it goes out to everybody, remember, a lot more people are going to start using it. So we got to make sure that it's going to be good to go for when you guys start pulling all that data, which I think it is. We just have to make that final touch. But don't worry. You guys are getting it. You guys are getting it. Oh, was that NVIDIA too? Oh, no, just SPY. SIVB. I mean, it's Silicon Valley Bank. I mean, I don't really want to touch anything with that, but. Oh, hold on. What's Hold on. SIVBQ. Is this like the warrants? Or is this, what is this? Oh, Jesus. Oh, no, I'm not going anywhere near any of this. No. I'm not touching any of this nonsense. So you're just stress testing Speed Racer? Yeah, pretty much. Let's see. EMAs, Glizzy. EMAs. Plus, also, you guys should all have the chart. We give you the chart. It's all set up for you. Once you hop in for your first month for $5, we give you the charts. You don't have to do anything. You get the alerts. You get all the learning curriculum videos. I mean, you can try to do it on your own. But if you don't have the strategy behind it, you're going to fail. It's like if I give you like a loaded weapon and you have no idea how to use it going into combat, you're going to fail. That's exactly what's been going on here for like the last year or so. People are trying to do it by themselves and they're like, damn, I can't figure out, it's not working. Yeah, because you're not using the strategy with it. Yeah, it's SIV, what do you call it? SIVBQ is OTC now. So it's going to be open. Down horrendously. Let's see. With thigh gap, you can be a scalp sniper even in chop. It's freaking ridiculous. Dude, it is ridiculous. Oh, guys, Diana just hopped in. You guys have your chance. If you guys want to go get 3-year, she's here. She's awake. Thigh gap's calling your name. Let's see. But yeah, dude, I've been an absolute sniper with the way that we've been using the thigh gap indicator. I like this view with the candles on it. It's nasty. Baba pats and lift up significantly in the pre-market. Guess who has Baba calls? Woohoo! Let's just see what, oh, dude. Come on now. Diana shouldn't have said anything. Jesus, let me breathe. Sorry. Dude, I found this remix to a Rihanna song last night and it's stuck in my head and it's fire. It's so good. Shouldn't have said anything. You're kidding. Yeah, guys. But again, if you guys do want to upgrade, just reach out to Diana and she'll get to you guys when she can for that upgrade. Make sure you guys are going to be there for tomorrow night's stream. It's going to be wild. All right. All right, man. Let's see what we get today. It's 9:05. We got 25 minutes to go until open. I'm excited. But it's like a Rihanna. No, it's on YouTube. It's called the Rihanna Don't Stop the Music Makin's Hyper Techno Remix. And it's fire. It's amazing. I was listening to that this morning and I was like, this is what we need to start the day. I was like, if they played this at the playground, I'd lose my mind. Tor, you'd probably like that one. No, Brett, that's not what it is. Ooh, there we go. Come on. See, I still don't know what Aqualung is. Diana, I think I did look at Costco, and there was a reason why I didn't like it. Oh, I like that on Wally. But there was a reason why I didn't like this. I don't know what the reason was. Maybe it was because I was like, the contracts are just going to be too juiced, I think. Because with a daily traffic light, I'm getting contracts with a minimum time to expiration of 3 months. That's how I will do it. I mean, that's how I've told you guys about it in the videos. The spreads too. Putting you on your TV so you can play the Rihanna on your phone. Do it. You guys are gonna be all amped up. Moto, shut up. Yeah, the spreads are wide, but I don't know. Like, I liked it, but I also didn't. I think I liked Netflix and Baba more. That might have just been why I traded it and not traded Costco. Because I saw this one and I looked at it and I was like, okay, cool. It looks all right. I think I was looking at it on the 4-hour too. Maybe I was looking at it back here when the RSI was cooking. Maybe that was what it was. Yeah, it might have been this. This might have been what it was. Because I remember looking at this on Baba after this traffic light and being like, well, the RSI is about to be cooked. Why touch it? But on the daily, I mean, I don't hate it. Like, I really don't hate it. Like, if this thing can get, what's the 200 EMA on the daily here? 494.43. Yeah, if it can get that close above there, I mean, I'd be all right with it. I mean, again, with swings like this, you have to be getting way more time than you think you need. So, like my Baba position that I have right now, those contracts expire in July. They're July contracts. The ones that I had off of the 4-hour had short time to expiration. That's why I sold them at 50, 60%. Because I was like, well, I don't want to hold these. If I did, I'd be thrilled, but you can't operate in the market like that because then that's just gambling. Like, I don't hate it. I also don't like I don't like giving like hardcore opinions on swings because like or even anything because like you never really know. Swings are even like they're always going to come with more risk. Perfect? Yeah, I mean, I don't hate it. Authority Zero is more my style for getting pumped music. Well, yeah, I usually what do you call it? Listen to like gangster rap, but I heard that last night in my bed, like when I was laying in my bed at night, and I was like, "That's fire." Are you swinging the lights only, or crosses are both proper entry? I like the 4-hour and daily traffic lights for swings. This is definitely a playground track, dude. It's fire. I was like, whoa, when I heard this one. It took me a while to find it, but it's great. But yeah, I like daily and 4-hour traffic lights for swings. So that's the entry's fire. You can. So what you can do is with what we're going to talk about with thigh gap tomorrow in the Wednesday masterclass with you 3 years in lifetimers is you can actually front run it a little bit. Am I going to do that? I mean, if I do, it's going to be very, 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 very small size. You're watching Coca-Cola too? That's not really one I would swing because it's a slow mover. Costco, I would swing. Home Depot, like things like that. I would. Coca-Cola, I don't know. I've traded it before. It's not really what I would. I think I have also traded Coke swings. I think I nailed it last time I did it too. Like my hit rate on these swings that we've been doing has been fucking nasty. Think about the swings that I've done in the past 2 weeks, guys. Nvidia puts off the top on the Fed day. Netflix calls. Baba calls. Baba calls again. What else do we do? Well, what other swings did I nail? That's 4 right there that were all dirty. I ended up hitting crowd. I hit some crowd strike calls like 2 weeks ago that were nasty. I mean, yesterday I got stopped out on PayPal puts, but those actually would have paid. I just wanted to sell them at open because Netflix was ripping, and I was like, whatever, I don't care. I did, yeah, I thought I did. I think it was a day predictive too, and it played out really good. I'm pretty sure I nailed the Coca-Cola move. But again, you guys got to think about it too. Like if I'm nailing that Coca-Cola move, I'm playing it off of a 5-minute light. So you go off the 4 hour from last night for what, Ryan? For what stock? Gabe posted the link for this morning masterclass. There you guys go. Make sure you guys are heading over there. Those of you guys that are in 3 year and lifetime, there you go. Um, Ryan, the time of the day doesn't matter. I feel like we've been over this. It doesn't. The time of the day doesn't matter. I'm looking for if I'm entering, I'm looking for 5-minute traffic lights because we only get 2 lights a day. I don't know what you're talking about, Ryan. On what? This is confusing to me. What you're saying here. You technically could get a bunch of traffic lights on the 4 hour a day if it's chopped around. All right, guys, we're also 22 likes away from 100 already. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Yeah, on what stock, though, dude? I'm confused on what you're trying to say over here. Baba! Ooh! All right, guys, let's see what we get today. This is going to be fun. We're going to have a good day. Peace out. Head into masterclass. Later, guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I have anything down on Baba? No, 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 no. Why would I have anything down on Baba? The chart was screaming up. Damn, SCB Baba gonna get dirty for me? Yeah. I'm scaling out an open regardless of where it opens. As soon as I see those contracts, I mean, I'm scaling out. Platform only gives us waves of lights to the 4 hour because it gives only confirmed lights. Right. So it has to wait for candle close. Oh, yeah. So 2. Sure. Yeah. But if you see a 4 hour light, okay, so you see the 4 hour traffic light, cool. It's confirmed. The second thing you're looking for in order for an entry is a 5-minute traffic light in that direction, so you can break it down. Guys, we've gone over this. It's you split it into 2 trades. The first aspect of it, the first beginning of it, is a day trade with more time. You're able to scale yourself out, give yourself a little bit of a buffer. Yesterday on Baba, I wasn't able to. Those contracts at the end of the day yesterday were down 2%. They were for July. I mean, I was like, okay, I'll hold them. Yeah, 4 hour from last night. I do that too, but I create a list. Like I'll go back like over the last like 4 days with traffic with daily and 4 hour traffic lights. Like I'll just look through all the stocks that are doing it to find a stock that I like. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. And again, everybody gets their first month for $5 on the platform. QR codes right here. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Come join us in Print City, man. I wanna take you away. You'll play the downside eventually. It'll come eventually, but I mean, but look at this on the daily. Like, remember the first trade that I had on Baba. If you look at this on the 4 hour, this is my 3rd Baba trade this month. Where was it? This. I was looking at this right here, trying to play the bounce off the level. I got stopped. Cool. Have the 4 hour traffic light, nail it for 50%. Cool. Then you see this retest right here off the 4 hour. I mean, I don't even know what this is going to be. But again, like I've been hunting this thing since back here, the end of February. Yeah, Wreck-It Ralph. I said that. I was like, oh, Wreck-It Ralph's finally going to get paid. But guys, I've been hunting this Baba move for like almost a month. And I've hit it twice. I lost on one of them. This move right here. I thought this was going to flash the traffic light up and move. It didn't. I got stopped out. Cool, whatever. Okay, then it drops a little bit more. I nailed this traffic light back up. Nice little confirmed move here. Then I get the retest. Bing. If I held these, dude, oh my God, I would have been. The percentage, the dollar amount, I'm probably going to make more money on this than I would have if I just scaled out and left these because they were, I believe they were 90. Level time with Gabe. See you soon. There you go. But the broker no longer handles the ticker. Is that good or bad? What do you mean? I mean, they should be able to. You should. Oh, OTC. What? Are they gonna fuck you like that? If they move it to OTC and the broker can't figure it out, what are they gonna do? Jesus. Oh my God. This is just such a disaster with these banks, dude. All right. Should be interesting. I will let you know. Yeah, dude. I don't know how they're gonna handle that. If like because Robinhood doesn't do OTC, right? So if it gets moved to OTC, I don't know what they're gonna do. They might have to like handle the trade themselves. Like they might have to do it, which is gonna suck for them. Because wasn't there a stock? It began with a G, right? That they ended up taking a massive loss on because they had to basically take the other sides of the trade and they got fucked. So they could have to do the same thing. Honestly, if that's the case, next Robinhood earnings could be terrible. Hold up. Let's watch Hood today. I mean, their next earnings is back here. What'd they do on their last earnings? Gap down. I mean, they ended up, or no, it was this one. Down 3. I mean, I would say that these bank situations are a bigger deal and could cause a bigger loss for them than the whatever G stock that was. Because do you guys remember that in their earnings report, they said that they took significant losses on like some stock freaking out? Huh. Yeah, that's weird. Because if I remember in their, let me look. Oh, hold on. Let me pull up their last earnings. I need their earnings. Quarterly results. I'm pretty sure it was the last one. 22 Q4. I want the 10 this. It's not this. Oh, they didn't mention. Did they mention this stock? Does anybody remember what this was? Oh, it was on Cosm. Okay. Yeah, okay. For let's see. We rely on technology, including the internet mobile services, conduct much of our business activity to allow our customers to conduct financial transactions on our platform. Our systems operations, including our cloud-based operations and disaster recovery operations, as well as those of the parties on which we rely to conduct certain key features, are vulnerable to disruptions from natural disasters, power and service outages, interruptions, or losses. All these failures. Oh my God. Further, we have in the past and might in the future be particularly vulnerable to any such internal technology failures because we rely heavily on our own self-clearing platform, proprietary order routing system, data. Okay, Jesus. In any such failures could have an adverse effect on our reputation, business, financial condition, and the results of infrastructure for our operations. I gotta zoom in on this. I can't read. For example, in December 2022, delays in notification from parties and process failures within our brokerage systems and operations in connection with the handling of a 1-for-25 reverse stock split transaction in Cosmos Health allowed customers for a limited time to execute trades selling more shares than they had in their accounts. This caused a temporary short position in that ticker, which Robinhood covered out of corporate cash within the same trading day, resulting in a loss of 57 million. Now, it's not the same thing, but if their broker cannot process in their self-clearing platform is not set up to process OTC transactions, they might have to balance the books on this and basically pay out their customers and could potentially take a significant loss. That's really interesting. That is really, really, really interesting. Now, I don't think that caused them to drop on earnings, but this time it could. Either way, the account is up 335%. I just haven't realized the gains yet. Yeah, I mean, when you think about that, guys, it's like, well, if they end up, if there's any news about them having to like filter these transactions in, it's gonna show up in their next earnings, and they're gonna be fucked. Don't you guys see? Don't you guys? You're happy you got this brain over here helping you guys out? Yeah, it was Cosm. I thought it was. I thought it was the whatever the G one was. That's really interesting, though. Seeing as it closed trading at $70, it could cost. Yeah, dude, it could. That's really weird. Hold on. Hold on. 1 second. Hold on. I gotta call him real quick. Hold on. Hold on. All right, we're back. But yeah, guys, that's really, really interesting with Robinhood there, because that could really fuck them. Like that could really, really, really fuck them. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We are 4 away from 100. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good morning from the West Coast SB. It's gonna be a fun day. Oh yes, it is. Oh yes, it is. Baba up 10.5%. Woohoo! No, they were. I looked at it. They were telling him in the live chat. He just didn't see it because he was just going through his stuff and just like ripped it over there. Oh, also, guys, make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram. We got a video ripping right now. If you guys do want to go watch that, we got a lot of cool short form content coming out over there. Shprt1, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Make sure you guys are all following me over there. You just stopped in to tell KD was public. Yeah, he was public. Sometimes that happens though. Like it glitches out and then it just like rips into public. It's kind of annoying, but. I wanna take you away. Dude, I got that song stuck in my head and I love it today. Having a great time. Can you wake Gabe up and tell him his masters need him? Well, he accidentally just went public live and the link that he posted didn't work for some reason. So he's gonna reset it up for you guys and go again. He's gonna reset it up and go again for you guys. But looking at SPY here, it's just kind of flatlined in the pre-market. Let's see. I mean, again, and you're looking at thigh gap here too. It's right around neutral. I mean, if you see it's shopping around neutral, thigh gap's going to tell you and make sure that you like can't or you're going to avoid chop. If you buy a 4-week T-bill that has a 5% yield, do you really get the 5% after a month? Is that the yield on them right now? Because if that's the yield, then yeah. Thanks. No problem, Lori. All right, guys. Dude, you guys are ripping the like button this morning. Thank you, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys hopping into the streams early. I'm going to be watching Robinhood, though, because today that could be very, very, very interesting. How do you get the new chart with the thigh gap on lifetime, but you don't see it? You got to go into master level updates where you guys can go in and see all those master streams, and then you guys are good to go. All non-masters just got a little taste of those morning masters upgrade, folks. It's worth it. Thank you, Tor. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, again, just reach out to Diana if that's something that you're interested in, to make sure that you are in before the prices go up at the end of this week. We got a lot of interesting value over there for those of you guys that have decided to make that long-term commitment to us. And we're going to keep delivering for everybody. I want to take you away. Baba, chase now? Absolutely it is, bro. It's up 10% in the pre-market. Of course it's a chase. Of course. You want some calls? I'll sell them to you. Oh, they're annualized? Oh, yeah. They should be annualized. Yeah. You're right. Yep. They're annualized. Yep. So you're right. My bad. You're right, Daniel. So it would be a 12th of that. Yeah, 0.42%. You're right. Did I close yet? Well, I can't close. It's the market's not open. Yeah, you're right, Daniel. Sorry about that. Why? I can't close them. Currently, they're sitting down 2% in my account. Like, oh no, my Bob position is currently down 2%. No. Those are going to be good though. U.S. accuses Bankman-Fried in the new bribery conspiracy charge of directing the transfer of at least 40 million of cryptocurrency to benefit Chinese government officials. Damn, they are throwing the kitchen sink at Sam Bankman-Fried. They are throwing the kitchen sink at that, man. Oh my lord. Good. How did I know to get Baba calls? Well, I was already in on the 4-hour. So, and I made 50% on them, and then I still liked it on the longer time frame. So I just was buying calls yesterday on those retests and the 5-minute traffic lights. Just like I tell you guys how I do all the time. Daily traffic light? Well, the daily traffic light's going to flash today, but I also use thigh gap to do it. So again, guys, the thigh gap indicator is fire. Thigh gap indicator is the truth. Wonder what they got in store for CZ. Probably nothing good, dude. They're coming after him now, too, I guess. Let's see. I mean, if you did those inflation bonds, people were making some money on those, but like the I bonds when those came out, how much time do I buy on the 4-hour lights? You can get away with 2 if you size it down, but 3 or more. Like my Babas now, when I'm looking at it on the daily chart, have 3 months of time to expiration. 662. If you can see the questions area, do that, or email support@trade3048.com because I'm not support. I can't help you out with that. AMD's popping. How much? AMD, nice little candle here. We got 2 minutes into open team. Let's see what we're gonna get. This is gonna get spicy. Here we go. Oh, keep smacking that like on the weigh-in team. Keep spreading the word about all the wonderful things we're doing over here. Morning, SB at work right now. Just want to jump in and say thanks for the masterclass last night. Had to watch and rerun, but such great info on risk management. Can't wait to do it. Aw, thank you, Mark P. We appreciate that, man. But there you guys go. I'll throw this link in here one last time for you guys. Use code PRINCECITY to make sure that you're getting your first month for $5. If not, have fun getting led to the slaughter by morons out there who have no fucking clue what they're talking about in the market. Oh my God, a chart pattern. Dude, I saw that Northeastern University is teaching their students, like they have a TA course, a technical analysis course, and it's chart patterns. They're literally teaching people how to be exit liquidity. I was like, are you fucking serious right now? This is what you're teaching in a college class? This makes me even more like on the wave of it's all bullshit. Finance major, you're not gonna learn anything useful. You're gonna be like, what is the company? No, the Head and Shoulders. Shut the fuck up. Fuck your bull flag. I'll just short it when everything looks like it's coming down. All right, ding, ding, ding. Market open. Alibaba, let's see what we got. Oh, they haven't updated yet. Are they gonna do this bullshit again? Come on. Dude, come on. Fucking open the options market for Baba. Come on. I wanna take you away. Watch. It's gonna start knifing and then they're gonna open up the options market. Watch. When do prices go up? Thinking of signing up this week, I think. The end of this week is when the prices of 3-year are going up. Pisses me off when they do that. Dude, I know. I mean, this is fine right now if they leave it here. I just want them. Come on. I just keep refreshing because I'm like, come on. Let's see what these are up. Yeah. Oh, there we go. 70%. Oh, 90. Oh, wow. The spreads on this thing are fucking ridiculous. I don't even know if I can get a fill on this. I'm going to see if I can steal something. Oh, I just stole it. Oh, I just stole it. I just made him free. Oh. Ah! I wanna take you away. Da, 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 da. Oh my god. That was dirty. That was dirty. I don't even want to know. I don't even want to tell you guys what my account's up today. It's kind of fucking ridiculous off of that. Because it's a bigger swing on a 3. Like I was not expecting this to happen. What percent on the sold portion? Let me see what I bought them at because I sold them at 7, bought them at 342, so over 100%. So whatever that is. So I sniped them at 7. So I bought them at 342, sold a bunch of them at 7. So like, what is that? 105% on those? I wanna take you away. Sorry, I have terrible singing voice. All right, spy knife, and now we're done with that. Made them free. We're gonna see what happens with those. Spy knife in here. Let's see what we get. Nancy coming down. Tessie coming down. Very cool. Yeah, nailed it, bro. Yeah, I sniped those. I mean, what are the spreads on this now? Yeah, I stole from someone there. I really stole from somebody. AMD's knifing. Okay, good call. Thank you. You need to start fucking around with those 4-hour lights. Well, this was technically on the daily. Wanna take you away. Ah, slippage. All right, let's see. That was a spy here. Spy's just knifing. Oh, that was a dirty trade there. How much is left on this? I could make them super free right now and just take more money back. Hold on. All right, let's see, team. Keep smacking that like on the way in. You got Spy fucking around and finding out over here. You got Nancy trying to do a little something, something. What's Tessie up to? Nothing crazy. Morning, Anders. How you doing, pal? All right, team. Let's see. I mean, dude, we just really nailed this. Here's what I'm gonna do. Let's see if they give me this. Yeah, all right. So I scale that again there. Now they're really free, and then that one's gonna stay there. Now that trade's just gonna stay there. Let's see, guys. This is not enough for me to like this. 0.04, nope. Hit the like button, you degenerate slackers. Make sure, yeah, dude, that keep hitting that like button on the way in, team, and make sure you guys are hopping into the platform. Nobody's doing it like this, dude. I could tell you what my account's up today, and you guys are gonna be like, "What the fuck?" Paying for a lot of playground trips on that trade. Yeah, Tessie knifing, Spy coming back down. I'm gonna wait out this volatility here and then make a trade later, I think. TLT looks like it wants to head up. Tessie's getting murdered. Tessie, I kind of like here. Not like right now, but like maybe later. Don't want to get caught in a news candle? What news candle? There's no news. I mean, you get at 9, you got this. At 10, you're gonna get consumer confidence and Fed Bar speaking testifying to the Senate on banks. But Tessie does look interesting. This thing is knifing at open. I wanna take you away. Na, 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 yeah, housing and consumer confidence at 10, right? Just shared to your Facebook. That'll be 150K. Thank you, Notorious. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's get after it, man. Welcome to the best place to learn how to trade. Thanks, Baba. That was nasty. And this is why I scale out at open. So the second scale out, remember the first one was from like 340 to 7. The next block of contracts that I sold was at 625. And they're still for July. So I'll leave that there, see how that goes. Made it wildly free. You were eyeing Tesla to the downside. Figured it made most of its moves. So you didn't follow it. It's okay. Scalped Nvidia instead for 0.85%. There you go, Daniel. Atta boy. All right, guys. Let's see what we're gonna get here. Spy doing its thing. Tessie's still just in the shitter here. All right, let's see. Hit your 2% goal, ending your day already. 72 straight green trades. Thanks, market, for free money. Again, guys, those of you guys that aren't in the platform with us, we're giving you guys the opportunity of a lifetime to come in for your first month for $5. Use code Print City right there. And let's get after it, man. Again, you guys want to upgrade to 3-year with Diana and get all that extra sauce and know exactly how I'm hitting these Baba trades. And I mean, I didn't know that was going to happen, but I gave myself the high probability move. Make sure you guys reach out to Diana. I mean, I'm up a ridiculous. This is probably my highest percentage green day in a very, very long time. It is well into the double digits. Well into the double digits right now. On the port, not like on the trade, on the port, bro. Depends, Anders. Probably not. Usually it's trade by trade. So it's usually on a single trade. What's this move on the market? I mean, SPY looks like it wants to head up a little bit here, but I'm just watching Tessie to see if this is going to come up for air. The other thing I'm oh, hi Baba. The other thing I'm watching on Tessie here is to see if the sellers are just going to step up on this thing and just be like fuck you all day long, which they easily could do. Let's see what we get here. IWM's ripping. All right. Let's see. Tessie Shark. Shark, 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 shark. Let's see. Made 14% on AMD. That's good for you. There you go, bud. Let's see. Let's see. No, no, no. Looks like just Chop City here. Looks like just Chop City. Let's see. Let's see. Getting the hang of this instead of playing Baba up. I hit it with a quick scalp down. Much love. There you go. How do you spot that? It's chop. Thigh gap. Thigh gap is right at neutral. Thigh gap is probably the best. I mean, we've been telling you guys about that. We went over that in the masterclass this weekend. It's so nasty at telling you when you're just chopping around. TQQQ getting sold into like Tesla. Interesting. I mean, you're looking at SPY here to see what it wants to do, but let's see. Where's SPY headed? SPY's trying to get up to that 1 minute 200 there. It's slowly trying to build momentum there, but nothing too crazy. There it goes. Let's see. See, here comes Spy Little. Yeah, the thigh gap's just gonna tell you that it's chop. There goes Spy a little. Ooh, Tessie doesn't give a shit though. Where's Baba? Baba slipping. Let's see. Well, 190, 189.07 is going to be an interesting level on Tessie to see if it can break back up above that 13. Spy's hanging around at this 1 minute 200. That's not going to help any of this. Let's see. Spy's sharking around. Tessie doing its thing. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. It just needs that clean break of the 13. 4-hour AMD light for the win, up 20% on the port. Jesus, bro. Let's see. Spy moving lower. Couldn't hold that 1 minute 200. Let's see. There's the retest of the 1 minute 13. Let's see. Nico, that's way too risky, buddy. Way too risky. All right. Able to scale out on Tesla. That's nice. Up like 10%. Now I'm just watching the traffic light or the thigh gap here. All right, cool. Oh, it's paper? Yeah, I would not do that with real money. That's crazy behavior, buddy. Please don't stop the music. All right, Spy coming up to that 1 minute 200 again here. Yeah, I took Tesla up. Yeah, scaled out at 10%. Or what was that? 8% ish? Right around there. It hit my limit order nicely, which is always fun. Now it's just a waiting game. Let's see. Spy's trying to get through here, man. Let's see if it can do it. I kind of want to throw a stop at break even on this thing. Just kind of let it go. But like I don't, because like this, the thigh gap looks good. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna throw it there. Yeah, I have a stop and profit. I just want to see where this thing wants to go because if this drops a little bit from here, it's probably gonna go light dark. It's close. Let's see. Yeah, they sold me out on that one. That's fine. Sold out in profit. Cool. Cool. Whatever. Nice little quick scalp from here up. I'll take that all day long. Nice little 10%er there. Easy. Easy, 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 dude. Thigh gap makes things so, especially with what I'm going to show you guys tomorrow. That's what I did on this one, and it's filthy. I wanna take you. All right, guys, we're 9 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. I appreciate you. Yep, good Tesla trade there. But overall, this thing does look like it wants to drop today, so be careful. I'm probably not touching this thing anymore. Where's Nancy? Maybe. Maybe, but this thing's knifing pretty hard here, so we'll see what happens on NVIDIA. SPY really needs to get above that 1 minute 200 there, and we have 8 minutes until data, so this trade played out with perfect timing. And this is also why we use the stop loss strategy. Look, I rode this thing from here. So you ride this thing all the oh, you guys can't see this. All right. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek at thigh gap so that you guys can see exactly what I was looking at there. So I'm going to take off the QR code for a second. Here's what I was looking at. You guys can see how it's dropping. Dark, 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 dark. Oh, that's the wrong one. Dark, 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 all dark here. You get this light one. Okay, cool. Next candle, it sharks a little bit here. Then you get this light candle right here off of a new low. Okay, cool. This is where I entered. You start to ride this thing up all the way up here. I basically top ticked it up here on my limit order. And as soon as it goes, what do you call it? Light, dark, I'm out. I don't care. Because one, when you're looking at this, this thing does want to knife. So in my mind, I'll just take my little base hit there and be good. But if you think about it like this, and this thing actually made this big, nice swinging move up to the 200 EMA, you would have had a nice entry here at 188.27. So the risk reward on this is fire. Even if it's, I mean, you could use day low, you could use a lot of different things, but it is nasty, dude. This thigh gap thing is changing the game. So let me throw the QR code back up on the screen here, giving you guys a little bit of the sneak peek at thigh gap, but it's dirty. I forgot about it, you OGs. No, I didn't. You guys are still locked in at your 49. You're about to get Speed Racer. We didn't have to give you the 49 deal. We're reward. How would you feel if you ended up deciding to pay more for a service and then all of the new things were just given out to everybody too? It wouldn't make any sense. Those people that have showed the commitment and want to be around here for a long time, and we're just going to continue rewarding them. If you don't want 3 year, it's fine. You don't have to have 3 year. Thigh gap's insane. Yeah, it is insane. So Teshy's coming back up now. I mean, it's not for me. I got that dark light and I didn't want to be in there anymore. Oops. People with money. If you're going to keep complaining, I can take away your $49 deal. That's a steal of a lifetime for the things that we offer you. So I don't, what do you don't want the deal of a lifetime? SPY finally broke above that 1 minute 200. Where's Nancy? Yeah, that's an interesting one here. Let's see. Thanks for the threat? You people. Let's see. Spy popped to 200. Yeah, it did. Let's see. What do you mean, you people? Let's see. Nancy looks interesting here, but I mean, the thigh gap's kind of already done what it needed to do off this. Yeah, I don't like this one. And Tessie back down. I mean, I'm fine with my Tessie sale there. Spy slipping. Vix, I'm a 49er, and thank you every day. Shout out to all you 49ers, too. We're always going to take care of you guys as well. Let's see. SBNY issues resolved, paid out automatically. Nice, dude. There you go. In his feelings. And it's fun. If you don't want 3-year, don't get 3-year. But we're going to keep providing value like we said to everybody. The amount of time and effort now that we're putting into these new streams, Gabe's live in the morning every single day. He does not have to do that. All of those other things. If you do want to upgrade to 3-year, reach out to Diana and she will take care of you. See, this is interesting on NVIDIA right here because this thing is now starting to go into that sell sequence. It just like yesterday, it never wanted to come up for air until later in the day. Let's see. Let's see. You noticed yesterday with the RSI, you clicked on the Discord. Really? Huh. I'll take a look at it. How do you reach out to Diana? You go into Market Talk and just do at Diana and then just say, hey, I would like to upgrade to 3-year, and she will help you out. Then you got lifetime. There you go. There you go. Study says air. Interesting. NVIDIA 4-hour been blinking yellow. Yeah, I nailed those NVIDIA puts to the downside after the Fed day. That was fun. If I held them, they would have continued printing pretty big. But I mean, I didn't really need like I didn't really want to continue holding that thing. Interesting. Is it on? Where is this? When you click on the Discord ticker alert. Interesting. Yeah, we can look at that. Yeah, I'm not touching Nancy here. Not Tesla either. Maybe Spy, but other than that, I've nailed it today, so I will probably be done. Lifetime at 1348 was a steal. 3-year at 1348 is a steal. Data out yet? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah, this 1 minute traffic light down on Nancy this morning, filthy from 263 to 259. Nasty. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like. Ooh, we're 2 away from 150. Who's going to be lucky number 150 on the like button? Thank you, team. You're wanting banks to lose some value. Where's Robinhood? Yeah, whoa, AMD slipping there. It's not really doing much, but it is slipping. 1348 for lifetime was an epic deal. Made that money back in more the first month. There you guys go, man. Just reach out to Diana and she will help you guys upgrade up there. I've got a really, really good masterclass prepared for you guys tomorrow, too. This is going to be a fun one. Yeah, I don't really like a lot of this price action here. I could start hunting some more swings. That's what it's going to. I think it's 17.99 though. I think that's what it's going to. It's either 16.99 or 17.99. I don't remember the exact number that we said right now. Yeah, data should be out right now. March manufacturing index -5 versus February -16. Yeah, slippage here. Shane, very true. Very true, bud. Let's see. Let's see. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do something. No, I'll leave it here for now. So much chop, can't see any clear moves. Yeah, I mean, if you're looking at thigh gap, it's telling you to stay the fuck away. Like big time. FOMO kicking in, but staying calm. Yeah, the only thing that I liked was that Tesla bounce here. I don't like Nvidia today, right now. I don't like this. Especially after what happened yesterday when it just started knifing. I think Nancy is gonna be I'd be more biased to the downside on this. I'm not touching it now though. I'm not touching this. I honestly might just burn it. I'm up double-digit percentages on the port today, so I'm probably just gonna let it go. Oh, Netflix is running? Is it above 230? Oh shit. Yeah, Netflix getting yeah. Well, let's go. I mean, look at this right here. Traffic light right here. Every single one of you guys has access to traffic lights. Boom, right here. 324.50 to the high up here, 332. If you're using thigh gap, you could have gotten an exit signal right around this level. That's the scale out point. It ends up popping right back up. Oh my God, that is nasty. Congratulations to everybody that hit Netflix on this one. That's a dirty trade. Does thigh gap front run the traffic lights? You can front run the traffic lights with thigh gap, which is what we're going to talk about tomorrow. The best practice on exactly how to do that. That's what I just did on Tesla. I probably wouldn't have done it. So it's ticker by ticker. I noticed this yesterday. The values that I'm looking for are actually going to vary by ticker. So we're probably going to cover a couple of tickers, but the concepts are going to be broad. There are certain things that I'm looking at where the thigh gap is at a certain threshold where it makes sense to then take it the other way. But I'll show you guys that tomorrow night. It's dirt. I did it on Tesla this morning. Nvidia. That's how I hit the $3 move on Nvidia yesterday. Anders, I know you're trading shares, buddy. But I think you'd have a little bit more. What time frame are you trying to trade shares on? Because if it's the 1 minute with shares, I mean, you're not going to make very much money. It's going to shark around. I would say start paper trading options. But the traffic lights are dirty, dude. I live by them. I mean, you guys just saw me nail that Baba trade. I'm not even looking at it now. It's free. With profit. I've already guaranteed money on it. But that Netflix move is dirty. Here comes Spy up a little bit here. Who came up with the name thigh gap? Gabe came up with it last year, and now we've basically made a visual representation of what we were talking about. Yeah, and Anders, it's 3 minute. That's not bad. Just kidding. Anders, I don't know how that's possible. I would take a step back and start paper trading more because I think you hopped right in. I mean, it does take some time to understand what you're looking at. But make sure that you're watching all the curriculum videos, coming to all the live streams, especially the private ones at night. That'll help you out a whole lot. Yeah, take traffic lights in context. Exactly. All right, SPY headed up here. Nice. Nancy trying to come up for air, but I don't like it. It just screaming at me. No. Is this a couple pound a day for the SPY? It'd be interesting if it was. All three lights yellow. Yeah, it's getting it at the same time. I mean, you've got 396 overhead here that's going to fight with, but let's see if this thing really wants to get going. What's my realized P&L on the day? It, like, wouldn't let me do it before. That's so dirty. That's so dirty. I like that. I like that a lot. It can always be more. I could make it more. Who knows? QQQ is only $1 away from Powell lows. Ooh, interesting. Does IWM 173.91 support? Let's take a look. 173.91. Yeah, that's what we got right here. That's going to be, it should act as support now. You break through this level. I mean, it should act as some level of support. It can always blow right through it down. It's just a key level to keep an eye on. Nancy's trying. I don't like it. Not for me. All right, team. How else can you learn or improve your trading abilities? Watch all the curriculum videos that we provide for you, because we have people like, again, that second interview or the second link in the description of this video, the millionaire interview, Jason's doing the same exact thing that we teach you guys every single day. Remember, what you guys need to realize is that the Ritas are having a lot of success. Why? Because we tell Rita what to do and it executes to a T. It does not vary from the rules that we are teaching. Now, you guys also have to do the same thing. So make sure that you're taking that time and effort to put into watching those curriculum videos, going back and replaying charts to see what you would have done then, learning that way. That is how you actually become more successful. It's not trying to hop around to these different strategies that are going to lead you guys to the slaughter. That is not what you want to be doing. I mean, Nancy doesn't look terrible. It's just like it's screaming at me that this thing wants to stay low. And then again, yeah, I mean, you fucking that 48. I mean, you could see upside to the 48 here, which would get interesting. And the premiums yesterday were all fucked up. SPY, nice little movement to the upside there. There you go. All of the Ritas are up over 1% today, following the rules. Exactly, guys. You got to think about it that way. I mean, our system is one of like it works. And that's why the Ritas are able to have so much success. I have to try it. Table shower? What is that? That's weird, Leo. I'm not doing that. Sorry. I'm not going to be doing that, pal. Fucking Netflix is a beast. The gaggle of Ritas. Yeah. They're all doing good. Ooh, guys, we might rip up to 200. Hey, if you guys hit 500 likes somehow, I mean, we are going to be doing ankles. So again, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Those of you guys that haven't already, get after it, dude. They wash your whole body, then massage you for an hour. That's weird. SPY headed higher. When you're trading options with DraftKings, I always seem to lose automatically $15. That's probably because you don't have real-time data on your broker. I don't know how that's possible. You might just be chasing and trying to slap the ask. I mean, or market order. Are you market ordering? I'm not sure. You don't want to be market ordering in. Tessie traffic light here. That's interesting. It's slow moving though. Like again, same thing with Nancy here. Spy has made some nice movements here, but the two others that I love to trade, Nvidia and Tesla, are not showing signs that they want to go. I mean, Nancy sort of, but nothing too crazy. And after being up so much on the Baba stuff today, I just don't think I'm gonna do much. 3 minute Netflix and made a nice percentage. Morgot. There you go, guys. There you freaking go. Spy, oh, 5 minute 200. Is that what this is? Good call there. Yep, 396.30. What are these Babas hanging out at now? Let me look. I don't even know. 76%. That's not bad. You bought at market? Yeah, you don't want to be market ordering, guys. You do not want to be market ordering. All right, Spy breaking through that 5 minute 200. I mean, am I letting my bias get the best of me on this Nvidia thing? Yes. But after yesterday, I don't really want to be fucking around with it. Just that's just my opinion. And after being up so much today, I mean, it's not a bad trade. This Tessie one's pretty good. I mean, I didn't really have to sell here, but I mean, obviously I'm going to when it's fucking around like this. Um, fine with me. Fine with me. If I miss it, I miss it. Not the end of the world. Why not market order? It allows you to execute instantly because you're guaranteeing a fill, but not a price. So if you're trading if you're trading stuff with wide spreads, you're gonna get fucked on your fills. 6.69% on the port using only traffic lights, not too shabby. There you guys go, man. There you go. Is buying market orders instead of limit orders not good in general? Is that specific to DraftKings? No. It's in general. In general, remember, guys, market orders guarantee a fill, not a price. Limit orders guarantee a price, but not a fill. 2.49% for the day. You guys are crushing it as usual. Remember, QR code on the screen. I'll throw the link in the live chat here too for you guys. Everybody gets over 90% off their first month. You guys want to stop getting led to the slaughter? We're here for you. We are here for you. Use code Print City and you guys are good to go. And make sure you guys are reaching out to Diana too. If you did want to upgrade to 3-year this week, this is the last week before the prices go up on it. I got that great masterclass ready for you guys tomorrow. Just shoot her a message in Market Talk and she will help you guys out. Yeah, Spy, you're going to be pretty much fine most of the time because the spreads are so tight. But if it's something on with wider spreads, you're going to get slapped on your fill. Was the data bullish? It's pretty neutral, honestly. I mean, I didn't see anything crazy on it. You've been doing market this entire time. I'll practice with limit orders going forward. Yeah, I always limit order in. I never market order in. And technically, I limit order out too, but when you put a stop in profit, it's technically a market order. But that's why I place it slightly in profit to make sure that I'm still getting a fill at either break even or slightly in profit. That's what happened with Tesla. It filled like 3 cents higher than break even. I mean, you do have a retest on Nancy here, but it is going light. It's flashing light or dark light on thigh gap, so I'd be careful. That Tessie was good. And there's a 2-day expiration with traffic lights. Depends on what you're trading. Spy, I do usually 1. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna throw the P&L out there today for now. I'll show you guys right now. I'm gonna throw it on Twitter. Ready? Three, two, one, go. All right, I'll grab that the link to that tweet over there if you guys do want to see it. If you guys are up today, drop your gains under there. Help spread the word of all the wonderful things that we're doing over here. There's the link to that tweet. If you guys wouldn't mind dropping a like, dropping a retweet on that thing. Let's get after it, dude. Nailed it today on the Babas. Nailed it. Yeah, so if you guys wouldn't mind ripping up that tweet, that's how much I'm up on the account today. Quick 5% on AMD, 5-minute yellow. There you go. Or 1 minute yellow. Nice. Yeah, guys. Again, if you guys are up nicely today, let them know, team. Let them know who's top dog over here with these traffic lights. It didn't trade 1348, man. That was a nasty. This is one of my nastiest days. I wanna take you away. Back from the game stream. Great masterclass as always. Attaboy Tor. There you go. There you go. Yeah. So that link to that tweet's over there. If you guys wouldn't mind running that one up, posting your gains down there below too. Let the people know. Let the people know what we're doing over here. Fucking Print City. Masterclass coming in hot. What's up, team? How we doing? Smack that like button on your way back in. I appreciate you guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Masterclass was fire. Oh, I love to see that, team. You guys like that on the tweet? Yeah, that's a good day there. You guys like that little set? Go over there. Go over there, drop a like on that tweet. Let the people know. Wicked masterclass. I love seeing you guys winning, guys. Again, remember, just reach out to Diane if you guys do want to upgrade. This week's the last week to get it at the lower price. Are they discussing banks today? They should be. They should be. Straight to business, no messing around. There we go. The girls are up 4% today. The Ritas are killing it. Oh, I crushed Rita today. I blasted Rita today. Was that on the port? Yes, that's on my port. That's going to pay for a lot of playground trips, team. So let's see. I wanna take you. Dude, I'm gonna be blasting that song like all day. That's gonna be so much fun. Man, that was a good one. That was a good one. Don't let me get a hold of the swing trades because I'll start murdering it. I might hunt some more today. That's what I'm thinking about. I might hunt some more swings just to see if I like anything. That's probably what I'll end up doing today, looking at the 5-minute and seeing if I like anything later. But yeah, make sure you guys are following me on Twitter, Instagram, all that nonsense. Short the VIX1. I mean, SPY right now is just kind of teetering. You got this nice traffic light up. I didn't want it because it wasn't giving me necessarily what I needed. It was too close to that 200. The Tesla trade was good. The Nancy would have been really good. I just didn't like it with the way that the price action was looking today and yesterday. Was that my Baba? That's on my account because of Baba. No, but I did not play AMD. But remember, I've been hunting Baba since like last month. Like, it's not like this is like, oh, I randomly. No. I've been hunting that thing for a while. I got stopped out on the first one. Nailed it for 50-60% on the 4-hour, then re-entered yesterday off the retest for the daily coming up and just nailed that one for, I think, right. The first sale was at like 105, 110%. The next one was at, I believe, 85. And then I still have a little bit of it left. What were those contracts up at open? The spreads were huge, but I stole it from them at open. Like the spread was like 5 to 8, and I put in a limit order at 7, and I sold a bunch of them. Bloomberg Market Concepts. Oh, I'm certified. It's useless. Don't take that. If you're in college, I would do it. If you're in college and they're offering it to you, I would say just do it. But like if you're gonna just go out of your way to do it, I would say it's useless. Like I'm Bloomberg certified. Like if I can use Bloomberg terminals because I'm certified, but yeah, it's useless. It doesn't actually teach you how to use the terminal. It just goes over basic econ. But yeah, welcome back from the master classes, everybody. I wanna take you away. Listen to Bloomberg every morning. Yeah. No. It's literally gonna teach you basic econ. That's what I got from it. And I like skimmed through it. I didn't actually I did it, but help for basic knowledge of markets? Not really, no. It's pretty useless. It's like 8 hours that I'll never get back. That's how I view Bloomberg. You weren't going to use the terminal? Yeah, then it's very useless across the board, dude. Two play say it up 50% on both. 1348 for the win. Thanks, Gabe and STV. You guys are amazing. Big City. Shout out to you, buddy. Again, everybody gets their first month for $5, so make sure that you guys are taking advantage. It's still not there. I need to find what the threshold level is for SPY on this. Yeah, you guys are killing it. Make sure you guys reach out to Diana too if you guys are interested in getting in on those streams. Tesla. Yeah, Tessie sharked. Moto, I highly doubt he said that. Dude, I'm like thirsty too. I need like a glass of water or something. I wanna take you away. Let's see what we got here. Can you borrow $1? Probably not, no. I have no way to really send it to you. What's up with all this chop? Everything's just chopping around, man. How much time on the 3-minute? I'd give it a little more time. If SPY, I'd be playing it like 3 to 5 days out. On single stocks, I'd try to play that week. Or if you're getting towards Wednesday or Thursday, I'd play the next week. But yeah, guys, just like we were talking about yesterday in that the beginner class, risk management is key. Knowing when to and when not to take trades is so incredibly important. So important, team. I mean, does this have something in it? Nice. All right. Dude, you're almost at 200 likes on the stream. Holy shit, guys. Thank you. TLT down. This is interesting here. Yeah, see, the range is so tight on this thing. I don't know if I want to touch it. Where can you find the beginner class? It's in the daily live stream section of the Discord community. That's how we notify all you guys. So after you guys are all in for your first month for $5, you guys get access to everything. But it was the night stream from last night that we covered it in. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, Spy's just kind of teetering here. Let's see what it wants to do. Spy looking sus. It is looking sus. Let's see what we get here. Nvidia sitting right on a daily. Are you talking about a level? Yeah, they're fucking with it around this 1 minute 200 here. Hold on. If you hold on. If you buy an unlimited order, just find a sell at market. I mean, you're still gonna be messing around. It's the same issue. It's the same issue there. You're still gonna have that issue with fills. Let's you retested that 1 minute here. That 1 minute 13. It's just teetering at this 1 minute 200. Let's see. Oh, guys, it is 10:28 in the morning. That is going to be wrapping up the morning stream for us over here. So again, I'm going to throw this link down in here for you guys as well to make sure that you guys are able to get your, hold on. I got to do something real quick. Cool. Order filled. Sorry, I was trading. So guys, just use code Print City and make sure that you guys are reaching out to Diana in order to secure a spot in 3 years. So team, use code Print City if you guys want to hop in. But yet another amazing day in Print City, team. Absolutely nailed it on that Baba trade. So let's see what happens throughout the rest of the day. Other than that, I want to see each and every one of you guys over on Gabe's stream. Hit that like button on the way out. Peace.